Part 1. Minnesota. Hey Jake, can you come here for a sec? I need some help editing, said Caleb. I'm coming, Caleb. This is like the 11th time I had to help you edit, said Jake. He helps me and soon we are done. I heard a Union Pacific freight train coming, and I decided to record it because it only had one engine and only one boxcar. Yeah, Jake, I'm gonna go record that train. I go outside and start recording as a single-car box freight train gets closer. Caleb mumbles, "This is the shortest train in the world." This is the shortest train in the world. The train passes by and I stop recording. I post the video to my channel. Well, that's over with, Caleb said. A few days later, Jake and I left town to start our journey. We headed to Minneapolis for the Minnesota North Star commuter train and the Metro Transit Blue Line and the Metro Transit Green Line in St. Paul. Hey Jake, are you enjoying life said Caleb. Oh, it's life, I guess, said Jake. We see two people arguing. Dang, that sucks for them. Right, Jake? Said Caleb. Uh-huh, Jake says dryly. I see a Metro Transit Green Line train. Metro Transit Green Line, and I start recording it, and it quickly passes by. Okay, we saw that one. Through St. Paul. Oh, Minnesota, I love this place, Caleb exclaims. Jake just starts laughing, and I laugh too. Jake jokingly looks at me coldly, and in his darkest voice he says, "I'm hungry," said Jake. Jake, you've been my friend for a grand total of 12 years. You don't scare me, and I'm still traumatized by how much of a couch potato you are, Caleb says in a mock tone. Shut it, boy! Yells Jake. 1 hour later, we are in Big Lake, Minnesota, and we stopped by a train crossing. Well, we get stopped at a train crossing. Okay, there's another train coming. It's the Norfolk Southern, I think, said Caleb. This is going to be long, exclaims Jake. The Norfolk Southern train came along around the bend, and I recorded it. It's 11 minutes long. Dang, that's long. That was long, said Caleb. The train passed by, and I posted the video. Incident. Later that day, me and Jake are walking by the train track, just enjoying the moment. Jake sighs. Don't you just love a warm summer day? I would be in a mental hospital if I didn't, said Caleb. Somewhere at a North Star station outside Minneapolis, a North Star train departs from the station, and along the way to Big Lake, Minnesota, a wheel cracks. Back to Jake and I. So, I am loving the trip so far, said Caleb. It's not possible to not, said Jake. I heard the North Star train, and it was the second North Star of the day, so I didn't expect anything. And I started recording, but it would be anything else from normal. Inside the train, the outer rim of the wheel shoots through the floor like a spear, and the train car detaches from the rest of the train. And a sharp curve is coming up, and the train is going too fast. Oh crap! Jake, get back! Caleb yells. We scramble to get away from the train tracks. Jake screams, "That thing's gonna tip over!" The train leans more, and the closer it gets to the curve. I'm still recording. What do we do? Caleb yells. Crap, how am I supposed to know? Jake exclaims. The train shows no signs of slowing down, and the train is starting to tip over, and the track gives way under the weight of the North Star, and it crashes to the ground with immense force, pieces of metal whizzing through the air. As soon as everything settles, me and Jake jump into action, and I break a window to get in. Everyone who can needs to help me. Get injured people out of the train, Caleb yells. I look at Jake. Call 911! Caleb yells. A few minutes later, all the people are out and safe, but I see the detached car rolling down the hill, and it's picking up speed. Fast. Oh crap. Everyone get away from the train. Now! Caleb screams. The car gets faster and faster until it bashes into the already wrecked train and explodes, fire roaring up from the train car in seconds. Jake screams, What is even happening today? I don't know, but it's not good, said Caleb. I ran inside the flaming train, even though Jake yelled at me not to. Where is it? But I didn't want anyone to get hurt, so I didn't care. I went inside and looked around. Hello? Is anyone here? After a few minutes, I am going to leave, but I pass out from smoke inhalation, and minutes later, the paramedics arrive, and a few minutes later, I wake up, and I'm fine. And Jake ran over to me. Caleb, are you okay? Said Jake. I'm fine, Jake. You were unconscious for 12 minutes. You're not fine, Jake exclaims. Later, I post the video to my YouTube and we record Metro Transit Blue Line in Minneapolis. And then I post the video to my YouTube channel, Train Dude 11253. Hey Caleb, how are you doing since the derailment of that North Star train? That should say Jake right there. Well, I have a few things to fix. And the YouTube channel that I said right there, don't look it up on YouTube, it's not real.